Hey there. Applications for our next cybersecurity accelerator cohort are now open. If you've ever thought, I don't have cybersecurity experience, this video is for you. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non technical professionals transition into cybersecurity without needing to code. One of the biggest things that we teach in our cybersecurity cohort is how to speak cybersecurity, and we can teach you about that. For example, instead of saying, I reset passwords, if that's what you did in your old job, you can say something like, I supported identity and access management processes. Another example that we teach is if you were somebody that dealt with customer complaints in your last job and you're trying to match that to something in cybersecurity, you would say something like, I investigated issues and documented findings and communicated with stakeholders. You see how that sounds more transferable to the field? Here's another example. Let's say you worked in healthcare and now you're trying to transition into cybersecurity. You would say something like, I helped protect sensitive information and worked in a highly regulated environment. Your experience doesn't disappear when you move into cybersecurity. You simply learn how to describe it in a way employers in this field understand. So here's your homework. Number one, I want you to write down 3 things that you've done in your previous job. And then the second thing is I want you to translate them into cybersecurity language. And then finally, I want you to practice saying that out loud. Cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's about people, processes, communication, and risk. Our cybersecurity accelerator was designed to help people like you build the skills, the confidence, and the language that they need to transition into cybersecurity. You'll learn from real industry professionals and you'll graduate with practical projects and interview experience. So applications are now open. We run 2 cohorts each year, so spots are limited, and I would love to help you determine whether this is the right step for you. Send me a message if you'd like to learn more. I'll see you soon.